Hi, my name is Nour Jaouda. I'm a Libyan artist based between Cairo and London. I've always been interested in the realm of the in-between and its infinite possibilities. So I interpreted the theme of and all that is in between through my exploration of the prayer mat and the ritual act of prayer. I've always been interested in how the prayer mat can construct a spiritual space wherever it's placed, its migratory and nomadic nature rather than its sacred nature. I've explored it through the ritual act of prayer, through the different postures in Islam, whether it's ruku', julus, or sujood. They kind of define the composition for the installation and the way in which the textiles can be draped. I was very keen on using two colors for this installation and all the colors that are in between them. So I went for blue to symbolize the sky, the divine, and the spiritual. And I chose red and browns to darken the tones to reflect the earth, the ground, and the mundane. I source my textiles and my dyes from the spaces I usually inhabit, whether it's Cairo or London. So I go to markets and I go to the local shops to explore the colors that inhabit the spaces I'm in. The textiles I usually source from Cairo, but I take them wherever I go, I fold them up, and their migratory nature kind of defines and influences my process. In this installation, I knew that I wanted the piece to be suspended from the sky, but also attached to the ground somehow. I wanted it to function like a prayer mat, which constructs a space that's calming, meditative, and reflective. I wanted the viewers to slow down and experience not necessarily an act of meditation through the Islamic tradition, but just through self-reflection and introspection. So the steel frames of the installations are meant to reverse the original function of a gate that's meant to be standing on the ground, but I wanted the architectural element to be floating from the sky. So it would kind of reverse the function of what we'd usually see as an architectural form coming from the ground, but on the other side it would be coming from the sky, and the textiles would be floating and suspended onto the ground in a way that would invite the viewer to reflect and create a meditative space.